was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Listen. Let me teach you guys a secret, okay? Anytime you want to use money to do anything, for example, you are going to buy a car, okay? Before you go and buy a car from the morning, take money, even if it is 5 naira, even if it is $5, even if it is $1, even if it is 20 naira, even if it is 15 naira. Take out money from that money. Pray on the money, how you want everything to go, how you want to be favored when you are buying that car, or how you want to be favored when you are buying that clothes you want to buy. Anything at all you want to buy, remove as little as it is from that money. Remove from that money, pray on it, how you want everything to go, how you want them to favor you, how you want them to reduce the price for you. Then dash that money out to any beggar. This might look very simple to you, but it's very, very, very effective. If you are a seller now, there are some people that will come to you now. You see, you would like to give them price. Maybe you want to tell the person that it's 100 naira. You wouldn't even know when you will tell the person that it is 18 naira. Maybe you want to tell the person that is $10. You will not even know when you tell the person that it is $7. Okay? This happens. The spiritual control the physical. So learn to use money to get anything you want spiritually before you apply for that things physically. So always pray on money before you use money to do anything. Okay, anything you want to do at all, you see, you go there, you see how you get favor from people, you see how everything will go smoothly. Something that you're afraid of yours, you go and buy 20 naira or maybe 100,000 naira or $100. You go there, you buy it far lesser than the price another person is getting it. You see, the person will want to give you price, but the person can't give you that price. That because you have already cleared the path for you, for yourself spiritually. Yes, so it's very, very important. Always pray on money anytime before you use money to do anything. Pray on money. Anything you want to do, just remove a little one from it. Pray on it. Give it out. Yes, give it out. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this my video. Today, guys, I'll be teaching you how to attract money. Yes, how you can use money to attract money, how you can use money to get favor. And today I'm going to teach you a lot of secrets you need to know about money. Yes, that's what this video is all about. I'm going to teach you secret on how to use money to make money. Now, the secret of money as a whole, I'm going to teach you guys today. So once you can comprehend the secret of the secret of money I'm going to teach you guys today, believe me, everything will fall in place, okay? And I will advise you go over and listen to this audio or listen to this video over and over again so that you can understand perfectly what I'm going to say. When you listen the first time, there are some things you might not say. When you listen to this the second time, you might hear it, okay? Yeah. And if you guys are interested, I'm going to teach you guys how you can use your mind to attract money. Yes, how to use your mind to create money, how to use your mind to attract money. If you're interested in that, guys, drop it in the comment section. I will make a video specially just for you. Okay, if you guys are interested in nice steps to use money, nice steps to attract money using your mind, I'm going to teach you guys complete nice step on how to you use your mind to attract money anytime you want. Okay, if you guys are interested, write I am interested, comment I am interested in the comment section. I will make a video on that for you. Okay, today I'll be teaching you the secret of money, how you can use money to attract money. Now let me tell you something. You have to know that money itself is a spirit. Everything in life is spiritual. Yes, everything in life is spiritual. So that is why the spiritual control the physical. That is why the spiritual control the physical. You can make money to always come to you frequently, and you can also make money to go away from you. It all depends on how you handle money. Because if you don't know what to do with money, money knows exactly what to do with you. Even both Bible and Quran warn us against extravagant spending. That is, if you don't know how to use money, money knows exactly how to use you. Money knows exactly what to do if you don't know how to keep money. Okay, money stays in a place where he knows how to handle. Money go to a place where he is being treated very well. Okay. What you guys have to know that first of all is on in your mind. That is why if the devil or witches or wizards in your village want to break you down today, the first thing they will taper is your mind. because they know it's your mind that controls everything. Your mind controls how money comes to you. Are you the type that if someone compliments you, say, hey, hello, you are looking good, you are enjoying, you reply like, where is the enjoyment? I'm not enjoying, guy. Think you are telling money that you don't want it to come around you. If the witches or wizard want to break you down, no matter how rich you are, they will not come and take the money from your bank account. No, they will tamper with the way you think. And from then you will bring yourself down. That's why sometimes it's good all over and over again in a day. Ask yourself, how am I thinking? Always ask yourself this question: how am I thinking about money? What I'm thinking about money now, is it good for me? Is it in my favor or is not in my favor? Always think in your own favor. Stop thinking ill about money. For when you're thinking ill about money, you are saying you don't want money. Now let me go straight. Now, how will you use money to get more money? How will you use money to get money spiritually? How will you use money to attract money spiritually? And this is it. Anytime you want to do something, for example, maybe you want to buy a car and you don't have the money yet to buy a car. Now, the money you have, think it. It should be something that when you are giving out, when they say give out charity, when they say give out, it should be something that when you give it out, it touches you. Something that means so much for you. For example, just giving out 10 naira. I know that 10 naira means nothing to you. It's not giving of money. When you want money to come to you, you give out money that if you give it out, you know that yes, you give out something. Like giving out 1,000 naira. You know that 1,000 naira were made for a food for you and you are giving it out. It's not because you have much of it, but you want universe to give you more of it. So give out that give out the 1,000 naira, and before you give it out, pray on it. This 1,000 naira should be enough for me to buy my rice, or it should be enough for me to buy my. Anytime you want anything, money to come to you for anything, always pray on money. After you make prayer on that money, how you want it to be, they give it out. And you have to know one thing that is very, very important. Your mind, the way you think about money, the way you think about money, the way you think about yourself is very, very important. That's why, in fact, if you guys are interested, I need to teach you guys this nice step to attract money using your mind. If you should understand that, if you can understand that, believe me, every other thing will fall in place for you. Your mind is very powerful. That's why witches are wizards that pass you. I see it from a lot of people. I've seen a lot of people from experience that you see things are not moving well for them. They always think bad about themselves. They always think negative about money. They always see they don't have money. That is what the witches have implanted in them. That is the only part. That's why nobody has power over you, but they have power to your mind.